Word 2013, Unit H, create labels. We can also use the Mail Merge pane or the commands on the Mailings tab to create mailing labels or print envelopes for a mailing. When you create labels or envelopes, you must select a label or envelope size to use as your main document. Select your data source, insert the merge fields in the main document before you perform the merge. Well, these are the same steps we used just a moment ago. We can also use Mail Merge to create labels for CDs and videos and all kinds of other things, name tags, business cards, etc. So let's go ahead and use the commands on the Mailings tab to create mailing labels for the information packet we need to send to participants in our upcoming QST tours. First, we need to create a new label main document and then attach an existing data source. So the first thing we want to do, we want to be working with a brand new blank document. I already have mine. And we want to make sure that our zoom is such that we can see everything pretty well. So I'm going to go to the View tab, and I'm going to click my Zoom button, and you'll want to go ahead and type in 120%, and then click OK. Now I'm going to go to Mailings, and my Start Mail Merge button in the Start Mail Merge group. Now we're not going to use the step-by-step Mail Merge wizard this time. We're going to go straight to labels. You want to make sure that Microsoft is the label vendor that you've chosen, and you want to select the second 30 per page. Now you may end up further down, and so you may have to hunt for it a bit. But if you go to the very top of this window, you should see 30 per page. We want the second set. I'll click OK. Now look, I already had my grid lines on, so that's why I see this. But if your grid lines are not on, you'll need to go to the Layout tab under Table Tools and View Grid Lines. If you don't see anything, that means your View Grid Lines is off. I'm going to go back to Mailings now. We're going to go ahead and save our label main document. I've never saved this document, so I know when I click this Quick Access toolbar Save, I'll go directly to the Save As. So I'm going to find my location. I thought I had a copy here. There it is. Let's give this a new name. WDH-client labels main, and save it. The next thing I want to do is select my recipients. I'm going to go to the Select Recipients button. And actually, we already have our recipients saved in a Microsoft Access database. So I'm going to choose to use an existing list, and my Select Data Source dialog box should open up. So now it's a matter of finding my data source. I'm actually going to use a file that you can download from Canvas if you're following along with the class. I'm going to go to Desktop where I've saved my files. Open up my Word Unit H folder. I'm looking for Word H-2, and I'll click Open. So that's really the end of my first step, I guess you could say. My data source file is attached to the label main document, and all I see here is next record as it appears in every cell in the table except the first cell, which is blank. Now in our next lesson, we're going to go ahead and sort and filter the records before we perform the mail merge. But we're going to stop this video here.